Made right here in the Twin Cities.
You might recall earlier this summer we told you about the University of Minnesota engineering students who use 3D printers to make prosthetic hands for people in third world countries. But the news today is on a much larger scale. And Kevin Doran shows us what this new innovation can do.
Imagine a 3D printer so big it can make an entire interior panel for a passenger jet in one piece. Or a 3D printer that can make a one-piece automobile frame. That's not fantasy anymore. Stratasys, based in Eden Prairie, is the largest 3D printing company in the world. And it is ready to unveil 3D printers that can do things we could once only imagine.
We think it represents brand new possibilities for manufacturers in integrating 3D printing into the factory of the future.
This new 3D printing technology is a partnership between Stratasys, Boeing, the Ford Motor Company, and Siemens.
Nobody's ever seen anything like this before.
Siemens provides the software and automation technology to bring together 3D printing and robotics.
This very much is the fourth industrial revolution. This is the new digital industrial revolution.
Professor Barry Kudrowitz is director of the product design program at the University of Minnesota.
It's a great new tool that designers and engineers have in their toolbox.
Kudrowitz compares 3D printing's impact on manufacturing to back in the day when we got microwaves. A lot of people thought they'd replace stoves in our kitchen, our toasters, even our ovens. But that didn't happen. Instead, our kitchens became more functional because we have more tools.
I don't think it's going to replace a lot of manufacturing processes, but it's going to supplement them, and it's going to be everywhere.
How will this change the automobile industry?
I think this will change the way we manufacture automobiles.
Ellen Lee is with the Ford Motor Company.
This will allow us to customize because we don't need to make a mold, so not everyone is a cookie cutter.
The factory of the future is born, and it was conceived in Eden Prairie. Stratasys is unveiling its 3D printers at the International Manufacturing Technology Show in Chicago, and Leah, that's coming up in September. They are excited.
It looks like it. It looks very cool. Did they talk about the impact that technology like this will have on jobs?
A lot of questions about that. Some experts believe 3D printing will actually bring manufacturing jobs that were shipped overseas back to the United States. And workers once considered blue collar will become white collar because they know the technology. I'm going to date myself, but it's like when I was in shop class and I learned how to use the bandsaw. Today in high school, kids are learning how to encode software. So there will be manufacturing jobs, but the skill set will just be a little different.
Things are just always changing, aren't they?
That's for sure.
All right, Kevin, thanks.
We had bandsaws too, Kevin. Well, it's a decision that